Hello, Hazel. So fast. Okay, one moment, huh? Okay, hello, my friend. Yes, you're the first one. So early. Okay, so your plan already, 2 p.m. this Sunday, right? Okay, 2 p.m. can. Okay, great. Okay, I think will be a long lesson that day. I let all of you speak up, okay? So if you have any questions, you all can start asking. Today market not like very good, huh? Some more it's a Friday. Hello, feeling much more refreshed. Yes, my friend. Oh, you were here yesterday? Today is better. Yesterday was really tired. Super duper tired. CrowdStrike is looking good though. Okay, can Hazel, but today I don't think we'll stream for very long also. Yeah, I look at the market like possibly today it might pull back a little bit. Yesterday damn funny. Today will be a good one. Oh, you exited a lot yesterday. Okay, good. At least you secure some profits lah. For me, I'm still holding when the market like no strength leh. Jialat. Yeah, definitely can exit some. Today maybe I also want to book some profit for OXY already. Okay, we still got one more oil stock, right? I come back to UNH shortly. Yep, COP it haven't moved a lot, so possibly yeah, I'll book some partial profit for OXY. But the rest like really slow. So Rick book some profit also or not? Have. Okay, nice. CRM. CRM looks like it's coming for a breakout soon. Ayo, got earnings. Oh, next Wednesday. Okay. Okay, McDonald. Toa what? CrowdStrike looks really good. I like it. It's very good. But I think need to wait for a pullback, huh? The move is a little bit parabolic though. But today market like no strength like that. Okay, we have to wait until market open, at least 15 minutes or something, then we can tell. As of right now, pre-market looks a little bit weak. Oh, CYBR doing quite well. With me, we have strength. Okay, let's go, my friend. Let's go, baby. This NXPI looks good though. Is there... Okay, earnings is still far away. What? Tan. Yes, COP, oil stocks, they move very, very slow, so you have to be a little bit more patient. If you're very used to trading tech stocks, when you go into other sector, you'll feel that they move a little bit slower. Wow, what happened to Dell? Dell earnings, bit earnings, dump so much. My goodness. This is like how much? 13%. Fuyo. Yeah, I think likely today just managing positions only. The market like, what can I even buy? Well, earn a firm every single time. A firm earnings is crazy, man. My goodness. Spike down, then fly all the way up here. This is like 25%. My god. A firm always has very crazy earnings. Good luck, good. Upstart. Guys, your upstart is good. Okay? Just hold it. It's good. Yeah, the market is a little bit scary, lah. But I think possibly those small and mid cap stocks you can hold for a while. All of them looks really strong though. Like SoFi is also very strong. Snow, extremely strong. Wow, this earnings also fly all the way up. This is like how much? 20 over percent. Amazing. Marvel is disappointing. But Marvel can be a good shot though. Zoom, nothing here. Today market like boring eh. What can we do? TTD is starting to move a little. Oh, how's open? Open door. How is it? Okay, still going up. Maybe I want to try to sell a put option for open door. Okay, open has a competitor. What's their competitor called? OPET, is it? Yes, offer pet solution. Okay, it's also retracing. Dave, Dave, the competitor is who? Huh? Uh, what's that company called? Oh, SoFi, yes. BBAI not done. BMNR also not done. I'm quite interested to sell a put option for this also. Okay, call wave also retracing a little bit. I think it went up quite a lot since Wednesday. Yeah, about 17%. QUBT. Oh, this one looks good. Okay, market open now. Hey, by the way, guys, if you all have not subscribed to TradingView, currently TradingView got very good discount. You all can decide to subscribe for it. Actually, this QUBT not bad though. Yes, market open already. I think I set a little bit of alarm here. Okay, go back to SPY. How is SPY doing? Not very good. It's coming down a little bit lah. QQQ looks scary shit. VIX okay, pretty stable. Bitcoin still going down. ETH going down. IWM. Okay, IWM is strong. It's stronger. SMH going down. ARKK, yeah. Based on this view, I think that all your small and mid-cap stocks you all can hold. Your upstart rocket. No leh. But I think you can hold. It looks good though. Because ARKK is like consolidating for more upside. HSI recently dropped a lot. What? What happened to this Baba? Oh, earnings. Fuyo, this Baba earnings. Gain mark. Okay, 10% now. My goodness. APPN, okay, good. Okay, only Baba shooting up, is it? Oh, photo is also going up. TCOM as well. How's the charge? Hayo, garbage. Okay, at least SPY is not coming down aggressively. It's still good. Okay. What's that called? APPN. APPN good. Right? APPN. Okay. Take some partial profit. Yeah, I think we can take some partial profit for OXY already. Let's do it. Huh, it's been a long time. I think we hold for almost 1 whole month already. Okay, OXY price 47.63. Yeah, I think OXY is not bad. Okay lah, TP no need to shift, but then I think I'll book like 30% off. 30%. Okay. I'm going to book some partial profit for OXY. Okay, done. Okay, the rest of the position okay lah. Hello, Rick. Nice to see you, my friend. Shopify, APPN, EMD, okay, COP, Palantir, LLY, IWN. Wow, this IWM not looking very good though. A little bit scary. But okay lah, at least we are at break even already. Okay, I will set one more alarm. Set 2 more. I think IWM we might need to manage a little bit. See which one trigger first. Oh, Bitcoin has been quite garbage recently. Huh? This is not very good. 15 minutes. It looks like possibly can go down a little bit. Same goes for QQQ. Tesla also coming down a little. Nvidia, Nvidia is difficult to tell though. After earnings, it moves like that. How was the previous earnings? Previous earnings, okay. Also big earnings, then down a little bit. Down for how long? Ours is when? Ours is also Thursday. Possibly over here, it only starts going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So maybe need to wait until next week Thursday. Possibly then it starts to go. And we are also entering September. September is quite scary though. How about next one? This okay, this one also didn't go anywhere. Okay, same Rick. It's the same thing. Same as me, my friend. Yeah, I'm also thinking whether I want to. Okay, if right now we sell a put, can be. I think it might be a little bit early though. Yeah, if we keep getting a sign while it drops, right, can be quite scary, Rick? That time, based on the $5 stop loss distance, how many percent do you risk? Okay, 1% is fine. 1% is fine. 1% is easier to manage. 2% like me can be quite scary. But you just have to hold all the way until possibly end of September. Then around that period of time, you need to accumulate some very, very good positions around the low level. Then I think you will be fine. NVIDIA coming down quite hard. It didn't make a new high. Okay, it didn't make a new high. Can this be the correction instead or not? I'm also thinking. AMD looks like a bear flag, NVIDIA, I think no news though. Yeah, no news. It's just that the overall market is coming down. Some more today is Friday, you know. Friday usually there are some sell off. And some more VIX. You look at VIX. So super low already. But right now, even if you sell a put, I think it's too early. Let me see, is the premium good or not? If you sell now, minimally 165, but 165 is so far away. Yeah, not very good. Oracle going to break out. Quite possibly, huh? I'm thinking, where should I sell a put for Nvidia? Right now is far away though. 35 days. $165. Okay, delta about 36, 0.36. Eh? No, 0.27 for 165. Yeah, possibly also can wait for a little bit more first. Right now, like a little bit early though. Spy not going anywhere. QQQ coming down a little bit. Okay, we can draw another trend line for QQQ. Oracle dropping a lot. Fuyo, this Oracle. I think you can straight away short now. Yup, quite possibly. Yes, I think Oracle is done. Okay, Oracle looks good though. Am I seeing correctly or not? There's no volume for Oracle. Really? Is my eyes seeing correctly or not? How come so low? Two, three. Wow, a lot of things pulling back. Right? COP is good. What the fuck? Lantern, not good. LLY. Okay. IBM, just now alarm triggered. Okay lah, we are still safe for IBM. Recurl. Okay lah, I think we can take this also. Okay, done. In the end, yesterday. No. We were doing for Nvidia. We are doing not for Nvidia. We are selling CC. Yeah, open. I'm still waiting for it to go lower before I will sell put again. Yeah, but maybe got no chance already. Possibly also can fire off from here. Open is strong today. What else? Call Vivek. BBAI. Hello, my friend. BLX. Hit stop loss, ah. Nope, not yet. Can hold. Relax, okay? Pulling back a little is okay. Somehow today, Friday. Friday is very normal to see price action like that. Sometimes it pulls back a little, then after that, possibly it will just hang around here for the whole day. Oh, okay. I was thinking like, really? Why no volume? Okay. At least can see some now. Just now cannot even see anything. Okay. Not bad. Good lah. Good. Oracle is the premium good or not? We aga find one, huh? Hey, Oracle premium is high, my friend. Even to 220, huh? Really? $8? Oh, really? $8. 8 divided by 220. Not bad. 3.6%. Rick, you like Oracle or not? Yeah, this stock is strong though. But what happened during this part? Oh, okay, this one is... Okay, not bad. Okay, 2022, how much did it drop? About 40+%. Then the tariff period, okay, it started from December, way before tariff. It started dropping, also about 40%. Yes, Orica is a good company. If you want, you can also do the real strategy. But it's quite expensive, it's $200+. Okay lah, good job, Rick. Very nice trade. But Tesla recently has been quite strong. It's not moving a lot, still around the same area. Your favorite company to short. What? Oracle not bad if you are looking to sell put it can be quite lucrative. Because it's the premium is quite high, so you can sell further away. One thing never come back. She set limit. Spy dropping quite fast. VIX also possibly have a spike soon. This Nvidia, I have no idea what is it doing. Right now, a little bit stuck. Cannot sell CC, cannot sell puts. What can we do? Sell backside. Okay, another good one. I don't know about AMD. My AMD looks like possibly might be completed already. Maybe also can short. Can. Rick, 加油 my friend. AMD also coming out. Shorting is very fast, my friend. You know, if next month is so bad that type, if it's really very bad, I might only want to focus on 1 to 3 stocks, and then we do the whale strategy, in and out, in and out, in and out. I think will be safer for us. Okay, at times I also short AMD. The reason is because right now AMD went up way too much, really way too much. But I think AMD short can be quite short-lived. Very, very fast, you need to TP out. Because you more or less can tell, right? Like this area, if you look at AMD, it doesn't go a lot, and then it starts to pull back, consolidate, before it starts to go again. And I also don't see AMD dropping like that. Yes, that's the reason why I wanted to hold onto those oil stock. Usually, when the market doesn't perform well, they perform super well, especially your consumer defensive. You can see things like maybe Walmart or something. Sometimes during this type of period, they perform very, very well. Like your HD, you can see HD is not going anywhere. But what happened to Walmart? Walmart possibly due to earnings. And then, what's that? Costco. Costco also no idea what happened. What's the correlation? Okay, actually it's not 100% of the time, but sometimes you do see that. But then OXY, we are hitting target very, very soon now. Really, really very soon. I also don't know whether should I increase the TP or not. Oh, XLP, yes. You always see the performance for them. Yeah, but XLP moves very slow, man. Really, really, really slow. Freaking slow that type. You know, right? You see, the top is here in September 2024. Until right now, it's still not going anywhere. Yeah, this is extremely slow. Yeah, even since COVID, until the all-time high, it only went up about 77%. If you compare to SPY, SPY went up a lot more though since COVID. Yeah, COVID is here. All the way until here is 197%. Watch AMD soon. But AMD, I do think that the shorting can be quite short-lived. Maybe it only comes to break this low a little bit, you know, just come down here a little bit, then it starts to U-turn now. 1 hour. A lot of things are falling, my friend. Not just Oracle, everything is falling down. What happened to my indicator? How come it's not loading? Yeah, we are reaching the 50 SMA soon, about 158, so possibly can be quite short-lived. Tesla also looks like coming down a little bit. For you. Wow, nice lah, Rick. Thank you so much, my friend. Email. Hazel. You're funny lah, Hazel. Okay, got pros and cons. Pros and cons. It all depends on yourself. For me, I always market order. I too lazy to wait for the pullback, then enter again. Okay, next week crowd might be a good one. Disney maybe can be a good one. It's coming soon. Really, you TP, let me know, huh? No, I've forgotten about it. How's Visa? Okay, Visa still not going anywhere. Don't worry, you got make money can now. Okay, that one most important. Wow, this month really difficult to trade. Everything go a little, come back, go a little, come back. I want to warm me blood. Yeah, it's really difficult to trade this one. It's good for one day, the next day it turns bad. SPY also dropping quite a lot. Yeah, but we just have to hold through all the way, possibly until September. Then September, we try to spot the bottom. Then we can go in a bigger size, a larger size than usual. Yeah, the first one I will do 100% for AMD, for NVIDIA. Yes, next week is September already, but then because this year is election year, it's the post-election year, so maybe might not follow the seasonality so much. And some more, Powell also says that likely they are going to cut interest rate. So possibly also can be a Friday sell-off, then next week might start to recover also. It's going to be difficult these 2 months. But as long as you can hang over these 2 months, it should give you a very nice opportunity. Like NVIDIA, you can tell, right? You know NVIDIA started this month here though. You can see, right? For the whole month, it just stuck here. Never go anywhere at all. NVIDIA also quite possibly due for a larger correction. How come my chart is not loading? Nothing is loading and all the indicators are not loading. I think this is one of the most crazy move NVIDIA ever had. Okay, this one, oh no, yeah, correct. Even this, it only went up 105%. This time round, it went up 112%. Okay, when it's coming down like that, possibly we can try to find something to sell put now. 165. 165. 165 35 days. Not bad, like the delta is quite low. One six five. But the premium is a bit low though. AMD broke already. It can be a good one though, AMD. Yeah, but then I need to remove one position, then after that, possibly I can short AMD. Let me see, what can I remove? Yes, I want to short AMD. It's going down a little bit fast though. Let's see whether it can come back up a little bit or not. I think don't. Yes. Okay, Ken, Rick. I think AMD is also around the same thing. It started somewhere around here. It's also still inside this whole area for the whole month now. Okay, Ken, Rick. What is Tesla doing? Okay, I want to set alarm for CrowdStrike. Possibly I will be interested to buy next week. Disney? Or Disney not done. OXY. How come? Why today suddenly it so off quite fast? Did Donald Trump say something? It was a two in a row. Ah, okay, okay. Let me check the news. Okay, market is closed on 1st September, like guys. No wonder people are selling off lah. 1st September is when? Monday ah. Yes, guys, Monday is a public holiday. Yes, yes. Oh, I also didn't know Monday is a holiday. Okay lah, long weekend for us here, my friends. At least, you know. Next month is a bad month. You miss one day. You don't have to. You will be less stressed for one day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay, at least next month is 4 weeks, 2 days. As at least not 5 weeks that type. Hey, my mouse jam again. Okay, done. Weekdays, I look forward to market. Now I need to go work plus no market. Yes, September is usually the worst month. But because this year is post-election year, things might be a little bit different. So we have no idea, man. I also have no idea how is it going to perform. I only know that usually post-election year, the September possibly also can be quite strong. Maybe at least the first half or something. Yeah, but no matter how, as of right now, most importantly is wait and see what the market does. Yeah, then these 2 months, if you're not making a lot of profit, no issue. Sometimes market is like that. Once this difficult period is over, you need to stay invested lah. The moment you stay invested, the market will resume its normal activity. You will start to make money. Yes, Rick, I also don't plan to stream very late today. Likely maybe 10:45 or something, I will stop now. Really got no opportunity. I only know that I'm waiting for them to cut interest rate only. After they cut interest rate, then I see how's the market condition. Down 2% already. Yeah, it's difficult to tell. This I can tell August and September is really difficult. You can see, right? Even for SPY, SPY is started where? Okay, SPY is still fine. It's still positive. But then if you go to QQQ, right? You look at QQQ. Where is? It started here though. Here. Eh? Which candle? Here. Okay. It started right here. And then you know where is it right now now? Exactly the same level. For the whole month, it didn't go anywhere. So QQQ is like, if you are someone like me who are very invested in tech stocks, this month my profit also like a little bit the type. It's not going anywhere. It's difficult to trade. 1 week go down, the other week go up. Another week go down, this week go up. Then after that, before we end of this week, it dropped down. My goodness. Yeah, every year you will see market like that around 3 or 4 months. Sometimes it's 2 months, sometimes it's 4 months. Those are the extremely difficult to trade period, especially if you are someone who do swing trading. It will be tough for you. But if you are doing day trading, I think no issue lah. Every single day is almost exactly the same. Okay, I want to see open. How's open doing? Okay, open is coming down again. Fantastic. Put an alarm here. I want to put one more alarm. If open can come here, about 4.25, possibly I want to sell a put. Yes, Rick. Figma. Yeah. Figma earnings is coming, guys. If you have some long-term investment in Figma, I will hold until the earnings lah. I know the earnings is coming, but it's not loading on my side. Is open good? For me, I think it is, but then it's also a little bit more speculative because as of right now, they are still unprofitable. Although the business model, all that changed a little bit, I like it. But I can still say that it's still under consider speculative lah. No. Short term, I think okay. Long term, I think if you want to trade open long term, you wait for the fundamentals to become better first. Wait for them to become profitable before you even decide whether you want to invest in them long term or not. This is usually what I do. If not, it's quite high risk though. Because this type of stock, you can be jammed for a long time. Because if you just look back at historical data, right, you can see like there's one spike here, then after that it came crashing down for a very long time. Okay, don't talk about 2022 and after COVID, all that. I think this area is pointless really. Firstly, it's because it's in a bear market. Then at the same time, at that time, Open wasn't so smart about how they acquire homes and how they sell off their listings, all that. But as of right now, they are doing better. That if you have extra cash, you can decide to invest a little bit, because that little bit, if Open someday it becomes a $100-$200 stock, you're going to make really a lot. But for me myself, if Open can come down a little bit, I want to sell a put option at about $3. And $3, I don't mind getting a sign, and then I will just hold it. You put in $500 for now. Okay lah, can. As long as it's not a huge amount for you, that will be good enough. Yeah, nobody can give you a definite answer lah. It's the same thing like, you start your own business, you also don't know whether it will make money or not. Because all these like super small cap stocks are, out of 100, they say only about 3 to 5 of them will make it into the S&P 500. HIMS, I'm also not sure though. HIMS, I think if I'm not wrong, HIMS is also still not profitable if I'm not wrong. But if you ask me like which one is better, I think, if you want something safer, HIMS definitely a little bit more safer. Definitely safer than open. Okay, Ken. Rick, when you move, let me know. When it's profitable, when it's starting to, uh, their net income become positive, and then their operation costs, all that, it becomes lower. So that's when you know that possibly the company might become really profitable in the long run. Because if you want to, you can go and, if I'm not wrong, if I remember correctly, it's Neo. You can go and look at the balance sheet. You can see that their net income is going up, but then their expenses, all that is also going up. So it's like, the bar chart, one is like that, and then the other one is also very high. So ultimately, they are also not making a lot of money. I'm also quite interested in BMNR. Just waiting for it to go a little bit lower. I think Tiger should have. Usually, when you just log in, you go and type any stocks, right? They will have the financial statements, or that they simplify everything for you over there. You should be able to see it. Yeah, I don't use Tiger Broker, so I can't tell you. But then you should be able to find. There are always like those bar charts, If not, it can be a pie chart as well. Okay, no worries. If not, I think Yahoo Finance also has it though. Yahoo Finance, if I'm, what did I press? Never mind, we can use this first. Yeah, but if you want to, you can also use TradingView. If you ask me, I will ask you to buy Nvidia. Okay. Okay, this one is like let me see. Okay, no, this one is analyst. Okay, maybe Yahoo Finance doesn't have it. Yeah, it's a little bit similar. You try to find those that can give you this type of graph. It's actually easier to see. Okay, let me close this first.